Right, we've got a Turbostar unit departing now, en route to Ipswich. It's 172.01. Here it comes. Right, we've got 172.03 departing now. I'm in a 1620 service to Cambridge. Off it goes. Just had a 170 Turbostar pass through on route from Ipswich to Peterborough. It was definitely going along at speed. Right, we should have a Turbostar unit coming through shortly en route from Peterborough to Ipswich. Here it comes. That's 172.71 en route to Ipswich. Right, we had 172.71 race through en route from Peterborough to Ipswich. It was definitely racing along at high speed. Right, we've got a Turbostar unit now, approaching at high speed, en route from Peterborough to Ipswich. Here it comes. Right, we've got a Turbostar unit now, arriving to Norwich station from Cambridge. It's 172.01, arriving from Cambridge. (172.01) again, now departing this time, working the 1540 service to Cambridge. Off it goes. Right, we've now got the 0952 service to Ipswich, now approaching. Here it comes. It's 172.02 en route to Ipswich. Right, we've got 172.08 again. This time heading to Cambridge, now departing. Off it goes. Right, we're at Trimley Station. We've got 17207 departing, working the 0931 service to Ipswich. Off it goes. Awesome to see a Turbostar again on the Felixstowe branch line. Right, we're at Stowmarket Station. We've got 17203 now departing, working the 0935 service to Cambridge. Off it goes. Right, we've got the 1012 service to Peterborough now arriving. Here it comes. It's 17273 en route to Peterborough. Right, we've got 17206 now departing, working the 1047 service to Ipswich. Off it goes on full power. Right, we've got 11, 12, 14 service to Ipswich, now approaching. Here it comes. Right, we've now got the I-857 service from Ipswich, now about to arrive. Yep, it's worked by a Turbostar unit. Brilliant stuff. It's 17270. Right, 17270 has just departed, working the 0928 service to Ipswich on a very hot morning. Off it goes. 17273 was coming through, and just had a class 755 FLIRT unit storm through in the other direction. Awesome. Right, it's at 17203, just passed through at speed, en route to Peterborough. Right, it's at 17271, passed through at speed, en route to Ipswich. Right, we've got the 0947 service to Ipswich, now approaching. On the 17208. Without Greater Anglia branding. Right, 17205 again, which has just rapidly arrived, this time working 11:35 service to Cambridge.
This train is for Ipswich. We will be calling at Needham Market and Ipswich.
Right, just had a 3-coach Turbostar, just stormed through at speed, en route from Peterborough to Ipswich. Right, 17203 has just departed, working the 854 service to Ipswich. Nice. Right, we've got 17203 again, this time working the 1029 service to Cambridge. Here it comes. Right, we're at Norwich station. And we've got 172.71 performing a shunt move into the middle siding.